dive 843 on Sarranier Sud. This was an underwater pinnacle halfway between the islands of Port-Cros and Port-Cros in the south of France that we dived with Clidive as part of our expedition in October 2025. We started off by dropping all the way down the side of the pinnacle to the seabed at roughly 46 meters deep. As you can see here, the visibility was good all the way down, and here we are at the seabed. As we headed along the side of the pinnacle, we had the school of sea perch here, Swallowtail sea perch, and a couple Mediterranean rainbow wrasse mixed in amongst them. But apart from these fish here, there wasn't that much to see down here, so we started making our way back up the wall. Coming up a bit shallower now, you can see we spiraled clockwise around the pinnacle, and there we pan the camera up. Still see a view all the way to the surface. A couple more sea perch here. As we get closer into the wall, you can see some of the soft and hard coral growth. And some sea fans there as well. Lots of this buttercup type coral as well, which is always quite pretty because it's bright yellow, and some cracks in the rock which provided shelter for the fish, as well as right at the back there, upside down, we've got a golden coral shrimp. There's my buddy there. And we found another crevasse, more sea perch in this one. Here is another one, again sea perch, another golden coral shrimp you can see more easily, and then on the left of picture is the tail of a Mediterranean Moray eel, and there you get its head. This one came out quite a lot to expose itself, so you get quite a nice shot there. Further up the rock we found another one. This one was much more hidden, so you can only see its face there. We also found a couple nudibranchs on this dive. So in macro here we've got a Pilgrim Hervia. And then we're all the way back at the top of the pinnacle. Tops out about 15-20 meters in various places. So we spent the remainder of our dive here in the more shallow area. Another Moray eel, this one quite hidden, scared itself away from the camera. And in this crack we managed to find a pair of Moray eels next to each other. My buddy's lighted them up from the side, I'm filming from the front there. You can see they face each other in a second. Couple more fish hiding in amongst the rocks. And again, sea perch there. Lots and lots of them into this hole here. Another of those nudibranchs here. This one was a bit more tricky to get, given there was a slight amount of current here. And then we finished off the dive with one of the largest nudibranch species, a Regal sea goddess. What we get in macro, you can see the front of it there. As we pan down, you have its body, its gills. We are at our maximum dive time here. We did about 15 minutes deco on this dive. So after we finished filming this, we went up and completed those deco obligations.